Hi everyone, today I'm going to be opening this board game. It's a Lego board game. It's called Monkey Palace and it says build your way to victory brick by brick. And it's for age, well it's recommended for age 10 plus, so anyone over the age of 10. You can play 2 to 4 players and each game should take around about 45 minutes. Let's have a little look on the back. So it's a board game and it looks like you build this with the Lego pieces. So it says compete against each other while you help the monkey rebuild the Lego Monkey Palace. Cleverly build your way upwards, creating longer and taller staircases to get bricks and banana points in this innovative and strategic building board game. With no single route to victory, you'll always want to play again. So it looks like this might turn out differently every time you play. So step 1 is build a staircase and decorate it to impress the monkey. 2, take monkey cards and get more Lego bricks for your next staircase. And 3, score banana points. The winner is the player with the most banana points. So let's have a little look what we get inside the box. So I haven't opened this before, I don't know what's inside. So I got this game from the Crazy Gamer in Wigan and they have a shop, but they're also online, so I will put a link in the description so you can go and check them out. And they sell other stuff as well as games. They also sell Pokemon cards if you are into Pokemon and other trading cards as well, so check out the link in the description for that. So this is inside the box. So we have got a little thing asking for your opinion to give them feedback. This looks like the instructions. The winner is the player with the most banana points. So this is the instruction booklet, the content list. So you get in it 80 arches, 80 bricks, 16 columns, 32 bamboo leaves, 16 golden bricks. You get 1 monkey, a butterfly, a frog, some other bricks, a base plate. So there's a lot of Lego pieces that you get in it, and you get the cards to play the game as well, the other bits and bobs. So they are the instruction sheets. I won't go through all of those. That looks like something that you will have to study before you all play, but if you do family games night, this could be an interesting game to play, especially if you like Lego or something a little bit different, if you like building stuff. So these are the pieces. I'll just show you the things that you get inside the box. Oh, that's printed on both sides. And then there's this. And that's printed on both sides and they're slightly different as well. So that must be something to do with the game, depending on which way you have these cards on the base plate, must make it turn out differently every time you play. And of course I suppose it depends which player gets what cards and how they build it as well. So you probably never have 2 games exactly the same. So this is your base plate. That must go underneath. And then these are all the little bits. So there's the cards in there. They're nicely wrapped. Let's just have a little look at them. I'll have to rip that. I can't get them out without ripping it. So these are all the cards, and there's different shapes and colours. So They probably correspond to the shapes and colours on the brick and where you put them on those base cards. There's the monkey. After you've read all the instructions, see, they must be those pieces on the dark green, those pieces on the light green. So depending on the cards that you get depends how the game will turn out. And then this is a tray. It's all made out of cardboard. So that must be for sorting your pieces in. So the arches, the little ones and the columns. These are all the pieces in the Lego bag, and as I said before, there are quite a lot of pieces. So when you've opened them, you would sort them into these trays so they're easy to find what you're looking for. So that's nice that they're made out of cardboard as well. They're trying to reduce the amount of plastic that they use, so that comes out. So you don't have to have the big box on the table as well, taking up room. And then there are these. I assume these are for each player, player 1, 2, 3 and 4, to put your cards on for the different sections that you will be building in the game. So there are the little bits in the box. I'll put a link in the description. You can check out the Crazy Gamer. And if you think this is something that you will find fun to play, that's where you can get it from. So thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time.